Welcome to a breakdown of the world's best TradingView indicator. CM Capital Pro version 2. It has finally been released with some amazing new features. Go to indicators. Obviously I've got your favourite window already. Type in market. Oh, spelled market wrong. Market Structure Pro. It comes up somewhere down here. Look, there it goes. Favourite it, add it to your chart. It's got some boosts already, so it's good to see people using it. What you get 8 features. Going into the indicator, you can add breaks of structures and market structure shifts. Sensitivity is basically 3 different kind of trading styles in a sense. So if I set it to low, you'll see the triangles change and the breaks of structure lines change. Go to high, it's going to really make intimate structure levels. So it depends how you want to work, and medium is a bit in between. You have show highs and lows, which is the triangle, so you can turn them on and off if you don't like them on and off. Then you have your fair value gaps, so if you don't even use fair value gaps, you can turn them off as well. Sessions, I'll go to that in a minute because that's a lower time frame. Show DR, that's the same thing, that's lower time frame. Previous highs and lows is your weekly, monthly, daily highs and lows, so you can turn them on and off. And then pre-market key levels, and then obviously the watermark. But anyway, fair value gaps, you can change all the colors, and you can gap extension. So if I put it up to 7, you're going to see the fair value gaps extend across. Obviously it makes it look more messy, but if you want to see them, you can see them. Set it to 0, it shows just on the candle that the fair value gap was made on. Sessions, so if I just drop down to the 15 minute, open this back up. Sessions, you can see all the sessions pop up. Obviously they're just set to normal session times at the minute. Max time frame, so whatever time frame you set this to, so 15 for me, and it is default 15. The sessions will show on all time frames below the 15 minute and below. Perfect. So with the sessions as well, you can fully edit the session. So if you don't like the boxes and you just want highs and lows shown, you can turn the boxes off. And obviously with Asia, look, it's just showing the highs and the lows of Asia. If you want to see just the sessions, you can turn the highs and lows off, turn the sessions on, and there you go. And the DR is this box you see here. It's the first hour of each session, market session. If you don't use a DR or don't understand how to use it, just turn it off, because a lot of traders don't actually use the DR. But if you do and you understand it, then happy days. It's a feature in there. I use it as one of my strategies in the academy and in the course. Previous high and low settings is obviously your weekly highs and lows and all that. You can extend the lines or you can cut them off and they'll drop right back down, so the daily edge stops there. Fully customizable, and remember you can turn all of these features off as well. So if you don't like them on the charts, you can turn them all off anyway. Pre-market levels, right, so pre-market levels is one of the main ones I want to show you if you trade the Nasdaq, S&P or any of these type of things. So on the Nasdaq and the S&P, it will print 3 vertical lines. So if I go here, so you can see here, this is when the daily switchover is, and then you get the New York Stock Exchange open, which is at 2:30 UK time at the minute. And then you've got the 3 o'clock vertical line. That is just a little zoning area of where manipulation normally happens. And then you can show the pre-market high and low level. So this will bring up green lines. So between this vertical line and the New York Stock Exchange open, it will just give you the highest point and the lowest point of the market between those 2 lines. So it's the pre-market. So before the market opens, New York Stock Exchange market opens, it gives you the pre-market key levels, which is just a high and low. And then obviously the watermark, you can edit it to whatever you like. You can change the size of it at the top and at the bottom if you don't like it clad. And then like I said, you can fully turn just everything off, anything off, and then it'll be a nice clean chart. So it's a very simple indicator. I don't charge for it. The only thing I do charge for is my academy and my course. You haven't got to buy my academy or course, but if you want my TradingView indicator, just go into indicators, type in Market Structure Pro, and you will see it CM Capital Market Structure Pro. Add it to your charts, and then it will come up at the top as CM Capital Pro version 2 because it's the newest version. And that's it.